Hey all, welcome back to the series of Java programming. Last time we have seen a for program where we have just tried to print number from 1 to 10 using for loop. This time we will try to print a table of let's say 2 and we will do it using for loop. Okay, so we will start. Let's do everything from the scratch. Hello is the class name. Class is must for Java program, and here is the main method. All the execution starts from the main method in a Java program, whatever written inside this main method. So if you want to print a table of let's say 2, we have to take a number, let's say n equal to 2. So this n is a variable, int is of, it's an integer type. So n is a variable of integer type where its value is 2. Now what we will do, we will run a for loop. We will start it from int I equal to 1 and we will go till I less than equal to 10 and then we'll do I plus plus. Okay, so what does this mean? This means that we will run a loop from 1 till 10 because equals is written here. So why we have done from 1 to 10? Because let's say how the table represents 2 multiplied by 1 equal to 2 multiplied by 2 equal to 4. So like that we have a table 2 multiplied by 3 equal to 6. So 2 is common. This common number we have taken in n, a variable. Okay, because this is constant, that's why we have make it fixed and we have stored it in a variable n and we will just use it. And what is changing? This number 1, 2, 3. Okay, and this will go till 10. That's why we have here for loop from I equal to 1 till 10 and the output we will just print it. So like that, this is our logic to go through the program and print a table of 2. Okay, so first time the value of I will be 1. How the loop works? It will come here and value will be assigned how much? 2. So the value of n will be 2. Now since this is comment, these lines will not be executed from 8 to 10. Now it will come to line number 11. For is here int I equal to 1. So what will do? I will be having a value of 1 and it will be of integer type. It will check the condition I less than equal to 10. Is it true? Yes, 1 is less than or equal to 10. It will come inside because this condition is true. What we will do inside the for loop, we have to calculate a table. So let's take another variable, or let's not take, let's just directly print the table. So for printing what we use, system dot out dot print ln and semicolon. So inside this curly bracket, what we have to pass. So how table is calculated? 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3. So this 2 is what? N, right? So can we write like that? N into, so 1, 2, 3 is changing. And where we are getting 1, 2, 3? Here, the value of I in the for loop. So first time I will be 1. This will be executed. Again it will go up. I plus plus. The value of I will be 2. Condition will be checked. I less than equal to 10. That means 2 less than equal to 10. Condition true. Yes. It will come inside the for loop. We'll execute this print statement. Again, I will be incremented. It will come here. Here. I will be 3 because earlier its value was 2. So 2 plus 1, 3. Check the condition. 3 less than 10. Yes. Again, execute the statement. So like that, this will work. So we have how we are building the logic, like n is the constant number 2. 1 2 3 it is changing. So what is 1 2 3 where we have captured? In the variable I, correct. And so this will be the table, right? For the first time it will be 2 because value of n will be 2 and I will be 1, so 2 will be there. Next time value of n will be again 2 and I will be incremented and it will be 2, so 2 into 2 4. Okay, great. So if we put this n multiplied by I inside this print statement, so this will print the table. Okay, we can try that by running the application. Let's run this program. So here we can see in the output 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18 20. Yeah, so till 20 it has printed. That means we have the table of 2. It's a very simple program. We will gradually understand the concept and how to build the logic. So let's consider it as an initial stage. Apart from that, let's say we have to print it in a proper manner. So what we can do, we can provide here a kind of message, or let's say n. What is n? N is 2. And then with plus symbol we can provide some, let's say, multiplication sign, and then again plus, and then n into I. Okay, so I we will provide here again plus sign, and then n into I we will put it into bracket. So if we do like this, after I, let's put some equal. Okay, equal symbol, and put some space. Again after double quotes we have to put plus sign. So let's try this, and here the output is 2 into 1 equal to 2, 2 into 2 equal to 4, like that. So we have a complete table of 2. So this table is now more readable. Earlier it was just printing the values. Now we can see how a table is, being calculated. It is being printed in a proper manner. So this is how we can do the calculation for the table and print the output. So we have done everything in this print line. We have done the calculation like n into I, and the message which we want to print along with the multiplication. Okay, so I hope this will be clear how we are trying to print the table of 2. So let's say we want to print a table of 5. So what we have to do, we have to just change the value of n equal to 5, and now we will run it, and we can see that it is a table of 5 in the output. 5 into 1 5, 5 into 2 10, 5 into 3 15. Yeah, that's it. So since this n, we can change the value and we can get the table of any number. Okay, great. So I'll just quickly revise how this is working. N is the number of which we have to find out the table, and let's say initially n is equal to 2 for the first time. How table is being calculated? 2 into 1 2, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 3 6. So this 2 is common, that's why we have taken it in a variable. What is changing? 1 2 3 until how many number it will go? It will go like 2 plus into 10, yeah, equal to 20. So that's why we have started a for loop whose value starting from 1, I equal to 1, and it will go till 10. So like this, 1 2 3 till 10 it will go, and I value will be incremented because it will be 1, then again it will be incremented, its value will be 2, condition will be matched, and then it will come inside the for loop. It will print the table. Okay, and how it will be printing? The value of n. What is value of n? 2. Let's run it again. Yeah, so what is value of n? 2. 2 is here. Then symbol of multiplication is here. Then value of I. Okay, I value, that is 1. First time it will be 1. then equal sign with space. So exactly it is there. Then n plus n into I. Okay, n into I means 2 into 1. So first time it will be 2. Okay, so like that it will be printed till 10. Next program we will see some more complex programs using for loop. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing, keep revising.